Okay guys, so today we're going to be dealing with the bump stops on this thing. I've got some Z71 bump stops I'm going to try on this. I just used kind of some generic bump stops after I did the lift. With this big heavy plow, truck needs a little bit more help. Okay, so I got my bump stop out. It's pretty easy guys, it's just a nut. And when you got a lifted truck, it's just so much easier. There's so much more room to work. But this is the bump stop I was using. I just got this at the auto parts store. I believe it's a polyurethane, just a standard bump stop that you can kind of customize. I never did cut it. I just left it the way it was. But you can see this is, I believe, a Z71 bump stop. That's what these yellow ones are, I believe. Should work on this. You can see they are bigger. There's not a whole lot on this end. It's kind of pointy, but I think this is going to hold better than this one. I don't know. I got these. They're free. I'm going to throw them in there, see what they do. The plow is dropping about an inch with these. These are actually 3/4 of an inch longer than these, so I don't know, we'll see what they do, I guess. Okay, so I'm having to jack the truck up quite a bit to get these bump stops under there. Which is a good thing. I think it's going to give me what I need. So I'd say we gained about 3/4 of an inch, guys, from the other bump stops. I think we'll be okay. You can measure all day long, but I gotta take this thing for a spin, and we'll get the real world deal on how we're doing here. So a drive with the new bump stops, and I like it, guys. We're getting closer and closer. We're still hitting on full turn the bottom of these fender flares. So I don't know, I may have to cut these off. I may have to do something. These are really cheap fender flares. I really don't care even if the tire rips them off. I'd rather not have that happen while I'm out plowing. I don't have any weight in the back yet. That might solve it because I think I'm really close to not rubbing. So I get the weight in there. We'll see what happens after that. But the truck carries the plow. If I didn't see the plow in front of me, I wouldn't even know it was there. This truck really handles that plow Really good. I mean, you're talking 980 some pounds or 60 some pounds it is. So it's not a lightweight. I need to add some air pressure to the front tires. It is a heavy plow, and I've done that with every truck I've had these big plows on, because they just need a little more air in them with all that weight up front. Again, weight in the back might help me out there. I gotta go get my weight, but we're getting there. It won't be long. I'll have this thing all figured out. You can see I took my plow off. I don't really need it on right now. You can see I love these Western Ultra mounts. I've got these huge brackets I need to run the plow. When I take the plow off, you pull them off, 2 pins, and it looks like you don't even run a plow. So love that, love the Western mount. I don't think it can get much easier than that. But anyway guys, that's going to do it for this one. It's just a quick bump stop video. And you know, I'll get this thing sorted out. I'll see you guys.